Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up dynamic island on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search dynamic island. Now from here scroll down and download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here tap on next. Now from here tap on select apps. Now from here just select the apps on which you want to enable dynamic island, or you can tap all to select all the apps. Just like that. Now from here just go back. Now from here tap on notification access. Now from here scroll down and tap on dynamic spot. Now from here just enable this option. Now from here just tap on I am aware of the possible risks. Now from here tap on OK. Now from here tap on draw on screen. Now from here just select no restrictions. Now from here just tap on draw on screen again and tap on next. Now from here tap on downloaded apps and tap on dynamic spot. Now from here tap on use dynamic spot. Now from here just tap on I am aware of the possible risks again and tap on OK. Now from here just tap on done. Now from here just tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here tap on the play button. Now from here tap on allow. Now just tap on the play button again. You can see the dynamic island. Now from here we can change the size and the position of the dynamic island. Just like that. You can change the vertical position of the dynamic island, just like that. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can change the horizontal size of the dynamic island, just like that. And also, you can change the vertical size of the dynamic island. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on position, you can change the position of the dynamic island. You can select left and the dynamic island will go to the left corner on the display. We will select center. Now from here, go back. Now from here, tap on general. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, you can select the time to auto hide the dynamic island. You can increase the time or you can decrease the time. Now from here you can select the action to take when you tap on the dynamic island. You can expand the pop-up, you can open the app, you can hide pop-up, or you can clear notification. We will select expand pop-up. Now from here just tap on the play button. Now as you can see, your dynamic island will appear like this on your smartphone. Now just go to your home screen. Now from here swipe up and search music. Now from here tap on the music app. Now from here if you play any music, now from here just go to your home screen. Now from here it is showing that the music is playing in the background. And this is how you can enable dynamic island on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.